And 20.
Alright, y'all, we get ready to play 21. Now, when I first started YouTube, there wasn't all of this controversy about guns. We'll play 21 with 4 shots.
So who are we making this hard for? Me or you guys? Because I'm going to make 21.
Oh, cocky. Cocky.
I have to be like.
And no 22 9mm or higher.
So what?
No 22s 9mm or higher.
I didn't load the 22s in.
All right, you up then.
I get to go first?
You go first, man. All right, you want to go first?
Can you count the 21?
I might. We'll see what I shoot, and then I'll start aiming for something.
What's the ace of it?
Yeah, ace is always.
Where did I put the other one? Where did I put the other one?
To the side?
Oh, God!
Bless her heart. Put her in a home.
I heard her.
Oh, Lord, we only have a few minutes.
Yep. It's almost time to close.
Can I use my laser?
No. No. Cheat.
Okay, let's see. I don't know how much.
I'm not.
This is why we're learning how to shoot.
Now do this.
Yeah. Get those squats.
Who knew there was so much exercise involved?
There is. I don't even know what Jack is how much.
You what?
I don't know how much they are.
Oh.
What is?
Jack, king,
Aces or
queens,
one?
or 10?
Ace or 10? You want an ace? And anything above a 10.
Jack, king, queen, or 10? Right? Ace is 1. No, you cheating.
I was getting.
She's trying to cheat, y'all. Use her leg.
Do I get jackpot? I caught her bullet.
You got it.
Jackpot. Okay, 19. Do you want to
Oh,
hold?
I see the 9.
Do you want to hold at 19? Or do you want to try for the 2?
Well, I was aiming for the queen, so I'm gonna stay.
Okay.
Okay.
Put my seat.
She's got a 9 and a 10. She's going to hold at 19. All right.
Gave me that I was on the jack the first time.
You're close.
I know.
You're up.
Do me a favor and video me.
Time's a
They're
wasting.
not good enough.
Time's wasting. I got you.
What the heck did you hit? Oh, I see it. Oh.
21.
Okay, apparently that was a quick video. You should
Wait.
not do this.
Where'd you? No, wait a minute.
Oh yeah.
You hit above the queen.
Yeah, because my jack was
You
not
hit
included.
above the
Your
queen.
is not included.
Yeah, my queen. No, I got the queen.
Oh, I see
You
it.
hit
It's near the
one
clover.
above the queen,
No,
one
it's right.
in the queen, and one at ace.
Yes. So I have 21.
The queen is 10,
And
the
the
ace
ace
is 1.
Is
That,
11.
I didn't hear that a
Ace is
minute
11
ago.
or 1. It makes 21.
no, you said ace is 1.
I heard
In the
one.
beginning, you said ace is 1.
11 over 1.
No, you said ace is always 1.
Right. I'll get another 10.
Hurry up! Hurry up! Range is closing.
Hey, sir. Last back, okay?
That's already 4 shots.
Aces are 11, right? 11
Depends.
or 1.
11.
But when you start this conversation with
I had
Yeah, we
21.
started. She said
I
all
had
aces are
21.
1. They're always 1. And
I
now
had
it turns
21.
into an 11.
You two just want to cheat.
Here.
I had
Hey,
20.
wait.
I
No,
Closing,
wait.
okay? So
had to shoot so we can.
yeah, yeah.
Look up poker.
Said we need to play Uno.
Six.
Four.
10.
No, it's a 4.
I know.
Oh. 7.
And 7. 17.
Mine's higher.
17.
Oh, y'all cheated.
71.
Yay!
Woo-hoo to the winner. Woo-hoo to the winner.
Cheated.
Nice.
Cheated. I want everybody to know. I want everybody to comment
Look.
on this video. Comment on this video. Who won?
Y'all in the beginning, and we have it on video.
Yeah,
Joe said
it's on video.
all aces are 1. What's the ace gonna be?
Yeah, ace is always. Ace is
the other one.
So,
Oh,
yeah.
yeah.
Stephanie won.
I'll take it.
Oh, y'all cheated.
I only got 8.
What's the ace gonna be?
Yeah, ace is always. Ace is
the other
1.
one.